Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Wednesday, June 25th. Wanted to post a trading video for you today, running the Ripper XAI Pro. My usual setup, 3 contracts, going for that $1,000, but I think I'm thinking of dialing it down to maybe more like 750 to 1,000, somewhere in there. And then anything above 500, I think I'll consider just staying and calling it a day. So kind of playing around with different profit targets and see where I want to end up. So right now I'm just running an eval. I hadn't traded in a while, so I kind of wanted to get my feet wet again and kind of get things going. So it's always a busy morning with the kids, so I kind of wait. I don't get a chance always to trade right at the open. It tends to be a little bit more volatile anyways. So this was actually a pretty good time to jump in. So I saw this downward trend. There was a big move to the bottom. It pulled back, and I figured sure enough it's going to continue to go short. So I turned on my bot, took the first trade, and then took a second trade. I got to about $700 in profit, and then I could have stopped there. Actually, that's actually a pretty good amount, but since this is an eval, I want to get it passed, and I think I'm only like $500 away from passing this evaluation. So I figured I'll just kind of go for it and then just pass it tomorrow. That would be kind of my goal. Shoot for like a $500 target tomorrow and then wrap it up. So with that, I decided to let the bot continue. So it took the second trade, which you'll see here shortly. It's going to take a minute. Trading took about 10 minutes altogether. I've sped up the video a little bit to keep my video to about that 5-minute time frame. So it has been sped up some, not a lot, but some. But trading did take 10 minutes. So this trade hit target, and I moved my target to trying to catch a runner. It didn't quite work out that way, but I got pretty good follow through on those trades. And then the third trade that you'll see, I wasn't sure if it was gonna reverse because it kept bouncing off the bottom. I thought maybe that would be some support level there, and I thought it would reverse and start going long. But it didn't. It actually kept going short. So I took the trade going short, took a momentum trade, and it was a nice one. Hit profit target 1, and then I just kind of let target 2 kind of get it out of the way, give it some breathing room, and it picked up. And I can't recall my ending balance. I want to say it was like 1,200, I think, something like that, where my goal is to do 1,000. But I kind of let it go. I think it got as high as like 13 something, but once it pulled back, it gave up some of that profit. But like I said, I think tomorrow, I think I only have to hit 500, maybe 600 to wrap up this eval. So I'm going to shoot for that tomorrow. And then when I start trading it live, probably not Friday, because Fridays are kind of crappy trading days now, seems like. So they're not always the best. Mondays are usually pretty good. So I think on Monday, I'll switch to a PA and then start dialing maybe my goal down to maybe 500 to maybe 750, somewhere in there. So just kind of make that every day. I think it's going to be more, a little safer, and not trying to go for that extra, because once you get 2 good trades, that should be good enough. And because it's hard to get the third one sometimes, and it doesn't always work out, and you give up profit, and sometimes you can kind of dig yourself into a hole. So like right here, trade 1, trade 2 was done. I could have just called it a day, and it would have been a pretty nice day. But like I said, since this is an eval, I wanted to catch a little bit more profit. And as soon as it went to profit, I went to break even, and then I just kind of trailed it from there, and then just try to get a little extra out of it. So with that, folks, that's going to be it. I hope you have a good week, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. Take care now. Bye.